Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes email marketing effortless? Well, it's time to stop dreaming and start doing because your wish just came true. Today, we're diving deep into the Engine Mailer Lifetime Deal, which is a total game changer in the world of email marketing. No matter how new or experienced you are in email marketing, this is a deal you don't want to miss out on. Let's break down exactly how Engine Mailer works and why you need to jump on this lifetime deal. What is Engine Mailer? Engine Mailer makes everything easier, from managing your entire subscriber list to creating beautiful, responsive emails. Whether you're a small business, a marketer, or just someone looking to get serious about email marketing, Engine Mailer has got you covered. It's built to help you run targeted campaigns that speak directly to each segment of your audience. No more sending generic emails to everyone on your list. Now, you can tailor your message to hit the right notes with the right people. Trust me, once you try Engine Mailer, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular pricing for Engine Mailer would normally set you back quite a bit, but thanks to this special deal on AppSumo, you're getting it at a fraction of the price. And guess what? It's a one-time payment. That's right, no recurring fees, just one payment and you're set for life. Now, let's take a closer look at the features you'll get with this deal. You can choose from several tiers on AppSumo, depending on your needs. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $29, originally valued at $348. This tier is perfect if you're just starting out or have a smaller list. This tier includes 12,000 emails per month, unlimited subscribers, unlimited online and pop-up forms, unlimited landing pages. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $79, originally valued at $576, offering more room to grow. This tier includes 25,000 emails per month, unlimited subscribers, unlimited online and pop-up forms, unlimited landing pages. License Tier 3. Tier 3 is available for a one-time purchase of $149, down from its original value of $1,668, offering 75,000 emails per month, unlimited subscribers, unlimited online and pop-up forms, unlimited landing pages. 6 most important features that make Engine Mailer special. Automatic list cleanup. Engine Mailer automatically cleans your list by removing duplicate emails and improving deliverability. Advanced segmentation. Segment your list by custom fields, categories, or any data set from previous campaigns to target the right audience every time. Easy email design. Designing stunning emails has never been easier. Royalty-free images. You can create emails that pop in no time. Automated workflows. Set up autoresponders and behavior-triggered flows to nurture your leads on autopilot. Real-time campaign analytics. Monitor live campaign metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. Responsive landing pages and forms. Create and customize landing pages and forms that are fully optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. Who can benefit from Engine Mailer? Marketers, small businesses, SaaS companies, consultants and coaches, e-commerce businesses, content creators, agencies. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Thinking about grabbing the Engine Mailer lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. On top of the already amazing $29 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. It's savings on top of savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Engine Mailer lifetime deal offer. Keep an eye out for a cheap pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Consistently use the same email address. Check your email to find the 10% off promotion. So why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews of the Engine Mailer lifetime deal on AppSumo. So, are you ready to take your email marketing to the next level? Dive into the world of Engine Mailer and watch your campaigns reach new heights. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.